Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at what is going to be coming in the Frozen Fairy Tale treasure tracks, so let's get into the video. Alright, so the Frozen Fairy Tale treasure track trailer is coming out tomorrow, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what we should be able to expect in the treasure track coming tomorrow, most likely. And it pretty much is coming tomorrow. We'll get into that a little later, along with the time that it should be coming out. But right now, we are going to go ahead and look at some of the items that should be coming in this treasure track. If we go to the mounts, there are 2 mounts that we can be expecting, and I need to hack them onto my account real quick. So here are the 2 mounts that we're going to be getting in the treasure track, and those are Shredder and Winter's Throne. So Shredder does a power bonus of 45, speed of 50, and I assume this one's going to be non-member, yeah. So this is the non-member mount. It's honestly decent. I think it does look pretty good, and the stats aren't too bad, so overall it is pretty decent. And then the Winter's Throne gives a defense bonus of 95, heart bonus of 90. I believe that makes it the best mount in the game. Yeah, it does, because 95 defense will make it the best. So we have a new best mount in the game, which will be coming. We also have a new firework which is going to be coming, and that is the Flutterworks right here. So we can go ahead and use those. I think it might crash the game though. We'll go ahead and test it out though. So this should be it, yeah. And yeah, it's just like butterflies, which is kind of what this treasure track is themed off of. So that is that. We also have a few pets that we definitely should be able to expect coming in the treasure track, and we can go ahead and look at those in the pet book. Here they are. First one, Scatty, should be added. We can look at its stats in a second. Here is Sarazug, and also Boreas should be added as well. I'm not sure in like which ones, or it should just be Scatty that you're gonna get, and then you can evolve it if you want. So we are going to go ahead and find these real quick. So here they are. We're gonna just go ahead and go over their stats real quick, because they are pretty important. So here is Scatty's health 520, power 630, defense or speed 690, and defense 440. I don't think those are very good actually. They might be pretty decent. I can't remember what the average is. So here is Sarazug's stats, and here is Boreas's stats. And then Boreas also does Chill Splinter, Chill Out, Iceberg, and Ice Storm. So the mythical epic that we can expect to get in this treasure track is Glimmerwing. Glimmerwing has been confirmed to be the mythical epic that we are going to be getting in this treasure track. So yeah, this is the first time it's come out in about 2 years, so if you haven't got it, you have a chance to get it now. Now, I do have a few speculations on pets that could be in this treasure track. First off, I'm going to go over one that I don't think will be, and that is Darkseer and Gore Shadow. I don't think these ones will be added. I have no idea when they're going to be added. I have a feeling they're probably going to be added next year. Ones that I think could be added are Luminite and Lumiat, Luminex, because they were updated to ice types, and their icon spine were both updated today. But there's still like somewhat of a chance that they don't get added, because you can get Lumiat from the login rewards, which maybe they just updated Lumiat and that evolution changed so that they would just be updated for the login rewards. Another one that I think could be updated is Petrox. I think that's the name of it. I'll go ahead and find it in the pet book real quick. And here they are. The reason that I think these could be added today, or in the treasure track tomorrow, is because they both got updated to HD today, which generally when pets get updated to HD, it means that there's going to be something involved with them. So we could potentially be seeing these in the treasure track tomorrow. But yeah, now we are going to be moving on to some like pet gear and stuff that should be coming in the treasure track tomorrow. So here is the first one. This is just a lantern and it's pet gear relic. It's a pet gear relic. The first few that we are going to be looking at are pet gear relics, and then we're going to be moving on to hats for pets. So here's another one. This is like a butterfly. Then we have a snowman relic. This is probably my favorite relic from the season, or from this treasure track that's coming up. We also, not sure why that one. Here we go. Here's the next one. This is a midden. We also have this one that's sort of like a snowflake. Then we have the snowball pet hat. This ice crown, I think this one's probably going to be a legendary. This like icicle. We have a snowflake, which is probably like a hairpin. We have a Santa hat. Moving on to some of the art for this season. This is the Wizard Watch post for the season. This is called Wizard Watch Treasure Track Frozen Fairy Tale. This is going to be like the sort of introduction to the Frozen Fairy Tale season, and it says it's time for another adventure, and then it shows the treasure track image. Now this is sort of like where you see your rewards in the treasure track. This will be another thing within the treasure track. This is going to be on like the front page of the treasure track. Then here is the login screen that we are going to be seeing for the treasure track. Other few things that could be in this treasure track include this wand. I'm pretty sure it's called the Snowflake Wand. We have Tortoise, the Super Chill Monster, and then Blizzhair. We also have a few house items that I'm just going to go ahead and show here. These were updated to HD a couple weeks ago, meaning that they should be coming in the treasure track, because generally house items never get updated, so these should be coming in the treasure track. So these are the three, yeah, not super exciting. And then finally, we have a Wizard Watch post in the metadata. This will like tell us when it's coming out and stuff. So it says December 2024 treasure track video ad. Unlock the new treasure track, or unlock the new treasure. Frozen Fairy Tale is now available. Play treasure track for new rewards today. So this is going to be a video, or it's going to contain the video for the treasure track, which is this. It is not yet premiered. Now this video is supposed to premiere at 5 p.m. Eastern time, but the treasure track is actually supposed to come out earlier than this. Well, at least if I can read military time right. So this says that it should be coming out December 4th at 22 military time, which I'm pretty sure is supposed to be 10 a.m. Eastern time. So that should be when we're seeing the treasure track come out, at 10 a.m. Eastern time. I think that's normally when treasure tracks do come out. So yeah, that should probably be the time we see it tomorrow. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end off the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.